Education Society, redefining excellence.
So here are the people who have contributed toward this project. So in this project we are going to see data flow diagram, UML diagram, activity diagram, case diagram for banking system. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposit and make loans. Two of the most common types of banks are commercial and retail. The banking sector is the lifeline of any modern economy. It is one of the most important financial pillars. It is very important to understand for the economic development of a country, that is financially requirements of trade, etc. Banking is defined as the business activity of accepting and safeguarding money owned by the certain and this diagram shows the difference between commercial and retail.
Hi, I'm Pranaraj. I will elaborate some points on data flow diagram, that is DFD. Data flow diagram is a way of representing a flow of data through a process or a system. There are two types of data flow diagram, that is logical data flow diagram and physical data flow diagram. Data flow diagram also provides information about the outputs and inputs of each entity and the process itself. A data flow diagram has no control flow, there are no decision rules and no loops.
Case diagram. So I am going to explain about notation and visual representation. So as it said, the someone interacts with use case system function named by noun. Actor plays role in business similar to the concept used, but a user can play different roles. For example, a professor can be instructor and also a researcher. Play to role with two systems. Actor a trigger use case S. Actor has a responsibility towards the system inputs and actor has expectations from the system outputs. So it is also represented in the diagram. So it shows the system boundaries by their person associations, use cases, and actors are represented.
UML diagram. The Unified Modeling Language is general purpose development modeling language in field of software engineering that is intended to provide standard way to visualize the design of system. Type of UML diagram: structure diagram, class diagram, composite diagram, deployment diagram, object diagram, package diagram, profile diagram, composite structure, diagram behavior diagram, use case diagram, activity diagram.
Activity diagram are graphical representation of workflow of stepwise activity and action with support for choice, iteration and concurrency. Use of activity diagram: model the workflow in a graphical way which is easily understandable. Model the execution flow between
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.